how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to a DeFi wallet. So in order to actually transfer crypto from Robinhood, you first have to set up a Robinhood crypto wallet. So to do this, simply go to the cryptocurrencies of the main page in the Robinhood app and click on one. From there, you then have to scroll down past the chart and look for the send button. You then have to scroll down once more until you get to the get started page. Then simply follow the instructions to verify your identity. So you can use your passport, driver's license, or other government issued photo IDs. Then lastly, you also have to set up a two-factor authentication for extra security using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. So now let's move on to actually how to transfer crypto. So once you're on the Robinhood app, you then have to find the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Then click on the send button and carefully enter the wallet address of your external crypto wallet. So make sure to double check this to ensure it's accurate. And finally, you then have to input the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. So that's simply how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to a DeFi wallet. So thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, then consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.